All right, a new poll in the presidential race shows Hillary Clinton extending her lead. The Reuters Ipsos online poll taken through the weekend has Clinton ahead 43% to Donald Trump's 35%, increasing her lead from 6 to 8 points since the Democratic convention.
And Clinton also leads by 8 points in the NBC Survey Monkey poll, whereas shifts taken place in some of Trump's key demographics. Last week, Trump led among men by 15 points. Now he's only up by 7 points. His lead with white men has been cut from 31 points to 23 points this week. And Trump has lost his 8-point advantage among those without a college degree. Clinton now leads among those without a college degree by 2 points.
And while Trump was up 33 points among white voters with no college degree, he is now up by 24 points.
Yeah, bleeding in a lot of those categories, Mike, and most of the polls showing Hillary Clinton with a jump, 6, 7, 8 point jump after the Democratic convention. And that's not really taken into consideration what's happened this week and the bleeding
every day
that is sure to follow from that.
Every day. No one has witnessed anything as we've seen all year long. There's no doubt about that. I challenge anyone to even come up with a historical equation that's similar to what's happened in the last 3 days. I mean, I can only imagine what the jump would be when they go in the field to take a poll now after these last 3 days.
Yeah.